ba? We are looking at all angles. One of which is robbery. Kaya inaano natin, there are some people, medyo smart na yung mga criminals natin ngayon. Di ba, diniscuss din natin na it could be a diversionary tactic yung pagkuha ng mga items to make it appear like it's a robbery. So, tinitignan po natin lahat ito. And we would like to provide you with accurate information. So that's why we cannot speculate as of now kung ano po talaga ang motive. Let the office concerned finish their work, their investigation, and we will provide you with the complete details once they finish their investigation. Yes, I was told. Again, this is a medical, di ba? But initial results point to the fact that she was not. I presume that is one of the main reasons why she was tagged as a person of interest in the first place. Kasi very, di ba? Natin dyan, siyempre tinitignan din natin, why would you leave a witness behind? So, pero, again, it's not conclusive evidence na meron siyang kinalaman sa krimen sa nangyari. Of course, unusual. That's unusual, actually. We do not want na, of course, baka ma-misquote na naman tayo. We do not want na patayin ng patayin. But of course, we look at the circumstances, we look at the incident, and she was left unharmed, relatively unharmed, ay siyempre it will pose some questions to the mind of the investigators.